Euro/dollar update, Eurozone inflation hit 5%. The ECB may have to reassess the conservative policy timetable. The euro has lagged behind other developed nations as far as expected rate hikes are concerned as the European Central Bank continues to provide support for its member state. Presiding over monetary policy for the European Union is not a simple task as each country has a different economic profile, experiences differing levels of economic activity and differing levels of inflation. Therefore, the ECB has the unenviable task of setting a one-size-fits-all policy that will hopefully benefit most if not all member states. However, inflation data in the last 24 hours has revealed that inflation is not just a concern for the larger member states, mainly Germany, but for the Union as a whole. Today's flash Eurozone CPI figure of 5% reinforces the uptrend in rising inflation, which the ECB will look to discuss in their first scheduled meeting of the year on January the 21st. EU Flash CPI Source DailyFX economic calendar. Today's data print follows on from yesterday's German inflation figure, which beat not only the forecast and previous figure, coming in at 5.3% versus forecast of 5.1% German inflation rate. As a result, there has been a noticeable turnaround and recent uptick in German Bund yields towards the zero mark. German Bund 10-year yield chart prepared by Richard Snow DailyFX. The euro has depreciated significantly over the latter half of 2021 on the back of ultra-bearish monetary policy, but persistent inflation that caused the Fed to change its tune may have the same effect on the ECB members as we kick off the new year. With German yields turning higher, could we see wider interest rate expectations elevate, or more likely, support the euro around current level? In the absence of any ECB official commentary supporting further accommodation, we may see a lift in Euro/USD towards the upper side of the ascending channel. The current lack in directionality on the dollar may help support a brief lift in the euro. Topside resistance sits at 1.1350 with the psychological round number 1.1400 thereafter. Support comes in at 1.2350 before the distant 1.1168. Euro to US dollar daily chart. Chart prepared by Richard Snow, IG. Written by Richard Snow for dailyfx.com. Contact and follow Richard on Twitter at RichardsNowFX.